Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So finally Google Pixel 4a announced it, and after a long waited, it's finally here. After months of rumors and speculation, the Pixel 4a is finally official as expected this year. We are not getting the XL version, but the affordable Pixel only coming in a single 5.81-inch size. The handset is powered by the Snapdragon 730G chipset paired with a 128GB of internal storage and 6 gigs of RAM. There is no version with extra storage, no or a microSD card slot, so that will have to do it. The 5.81-inch OLED panel has 1080p by 2340 pixel resolution with a tail 90.5 by 9 aspect ratio. There is also punch hole for the 8 megapixel front facing camera in the upper left corner of the screen. With the display of the size, the Pixel 4a will easily attract user looking for something affordable and compact at the same time. The back house single 12.2 megapixel 1 by 2.55 sensor with a larger 1.4 pixel and fast f1.7 optics that support all the Pixel 4 feature like night side, portrait mode, top shoot. There is also OIS to keep your video shake free. On the front we have a 8 megapixel camera with a f2.0 aperture and 1.12 pixel but no autofocus. The Google Pixel 4a packs a rather small 3140 mAh battery that can be charged over the Power Delivery 2.0 stand-up at 18 volt. It also important to note that the 3.5mm audio jack is still on board. The phone is available for pre-order in US for $349, while actual sales will kick off in August 20. The handset will cost a €349 in the UK and €340 in Germany, meaning the EU is getting it significantly cheaper than its former member. The Google Pixel 4 is also coming in Australia, Canada, France, India, Ireland, Italy, Japan, Singapore, Spain, and Taiwan. Sadly, the rumor turned out to be true, so the only available color is just black color. So that's it guys, the Google Pixel 4 is finally announced with a 5.81-inch screen, 128GB of storage, and the other specification like the Snapdragon 730 and its 2.2 GHz octa-core processor. So this is finally the Google Pixel 4a. Hope you like this phone. If you like it, let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe my channel for more amazing cool tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out and bye bye.